turning workforce data into actionable insights. Data is everywhere in today's workplaces, but many companies still have trouble translating information into results that can be measured. Even while sales, revenue, and project deadline measurements are checked regularly.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
The everyday activity patterns of employees are occasionally missed. This is a missed opportunity. Careful observation of how work is done can give organizations insights that improve performance and make development activities more focused. Workforce data provides a fresh perspective on employee engagement, skill shortages, and workflow inefficiencies, particularly when it incorporates behavioral patterns like time allocation, app usage, and task switching. Making better decisions about training, resource allocation, and operational strategy, rather than micromanaging, is the aim. Moving from watching passively to actively improving. For a long time, companies have employed management feedback, performance reviews, or surveys that happen on a regular basis to learn how their teams function. All of these methods can, of course, be helpful, but they often miss the small details of how work is really done. Businesses can swap static snapshots for dynamic visibility by getting real-time data on what is happening. For instance, keeping track of how long employees spend on certain jobs or equipment can demonstrate trends in output. It may indicate that time intended for strategic or creative work is being eroded by administrative duties. The use of multiple platforms or procedures by high-performing teams may become apparent. These insights can lead to change when they are understood correctly. More and more companies are increasingly employing digital technologies that are ethical and transparent to track employees. They don't use this to watch every move, but to learn how work is done and where help is most needed. This method helps leaders find problems and chances to make things better early on. Finding skill shortages by looking at how people work. Knowing how time is spent can also assist find places where training and development are needed. A team's excessive use of simple tools or repetition of the same activities could indicate a lack of confidence or competence. Organizations can develop learning programs that are specific to real situations instead of simply adopting generic training solutions. In a similar vein, if employees avoid using certain tools or processes, it could mean that they don't know how to use them or that there's an issue with the tool. Looking into this behavior allows the leadership to make smart choices about replacing or redesigning these systems or providing additional training for employees. Detecting these patterns early will also let you work out a more personalized approach to coaching. Instead of waiting for quarterly reviews, managers can provide feedback and support for their staff right away, helping them change course and grow in real time. This not only accelerates development, but additionally fosters a culture of learning and responsibility. Getting rid of wasted time and money. Data from the workforce could also reveal where people are wasting time. Repeated attempts, long periods of inactivity, or frequent context shifts can all subtly lower productivity. These inefficiencies are often unnoticed until the project is behind schedule or the team is worn out. But it's possible for organizations to identify these problems early on and take the necessary measures them before they get worse. Furthermore, leaders can use this information to allocate tasks in the most efficient manner. Knowing which team members are overworked or underutilized gives managers the option to reassign tasks in a way that is more fair and sustainable. It also creates an opportunity for workflow redesign. If specific roles consistently spend hours on repetitive manual tasks, it may justify process automation or software upgrades turning small productivity wins into lasting structural improvements.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.